Hello, this is Winnie Rogers DIY here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, it's great to have you here. Kindly subscribe down below. It's free. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being with us all this time. Okay, today I want to show you how to make this beautiful backdrop. And I'll begin by blowing my balloons and then tying them into pairs. After draping, I'll take my balloons, 2 pairs, and then tie them this way. The next thing I'll do, I'll take my happy birthday banner. This is how it comes, and it comes with a thread, or let me say a ribbon, and I'll show you how to put it. This is how it looks, and then I'll put it on my curtain. I'll use glue dots to stick it on the wall. The next thing I'll do is to stick my balloons all around. I'll begin from down here, going up and then around. I'll also use glue dots for this. I'll continue that way until I reach on the other side. So before we continue, let me show you how to make these flowers. This is a tissue paper, 16 centimeters by 24 centimeters. I'm going to cut that out. And then I fold it in and out. And there are 4, but there are 4 pieces. You can put 5 or 6, but then I've used 4. It's not one paper, there are 4. There are 4 papers laid on top of each other. You see, that's the first layer, then the second one, then the third, then the fourth. Okay, then I'll take again glue dots, put behind it, and then I stick it on these balloons in the middle. You see, just like that. And then I'll go all around. I'll put my other balloons on the other side, and then here I am. I'm almost done. Some people always put balloons in the middle, but I thought of making something different, and that's why I decided to make it this way. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Subscribe down below. Give my video a thumbs up if you like it. Yes, and see you next time. Thank you so much. This is the outcome. Bye bye.